Okay, now we will have a more detailed introduction for the machine operation and the shining features introduction. And for this machine, we have 6 kinds of interface. This is a standard interface. When we want to change the interface or the display of the screen, we can use knob to move the button to the display SW here. Then we press 1 to change the interface. So here we can see the 6 kinds of interface. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. And sixth one. The interface can be selected by the doctor according to their habits. Confirm. Okay, here then we will have an introduction for the 6 shortcut button keys. First one is the silence. When we press the silence, we can see there has no alarm voice coming out permanently. Second one is about pause. When we press the pause, we can see there has a note here. It's about alarm will be stopped around 100 seconds. After the 100 seconds is finished, the alarm will be repeated again. Third one is about freeze. When we press the freeze button, the waveform will be freezing. The fourth one is NIBP button. When we connect the NIBP cable into the NIBP sockets, then we press the NIBP button for the NIBP testing. The fifth one is about print. If the doctor or the end users choose the ECG recorder, which will be installed in the machines, then we press the print to print out the ECG record. The fifth button is the main menu button. When we press the main menu button, we can see there has several sub-menus coming out. Firstly, it's about the patient manage. When we press, we can choose the new patient information such as bed, sexual, patient type, and also pace from it. Second menu is about monitor setup. When we enter into this sub-menu, we can try to select the phase select, alarm limit, alarm record time, alarm post time, also the alarm type, alarm sound, and the key volume from the monitor setup. Also, we can try to change the time, also the record and the mark evaluation here. Third one is about the alarm menu. We can choose the alarm details parameters in this menu. Fourth one is about maintain. Normally when the end users want to calibrate the machine's parameters or solve some after-service problem, the engineer will enter into the password to the background of the machine to do the service. Fifth one is about the recall. We can choose the NIBP recall, alarm recall, trend graph, and also trend table from it. Then it's a drug calculation. If the patient takes some drugs before the examination, we can try to input the drug's detailed information from it and do the calculation. And this menu is about entering into the demo mode, as we can see in the machines. Fifth one is about standby. So much for the system menu. And if we want to change each parameters menu, we can try to use the knob to move to the parameters. Then press the knob to enter into each parameters menu from it. So this is about the operations for how to use the PM7000D. And the last one, as we can see, okay, the last we can see there is a hidden handle in front of the patient monitors. The doctor and the customer can use the hidden handle to take the machines very easily. So much for the operations of the PM7000D. Later we will have an introduction for the accessories of the PM7000D.